Now it is B. B for boat. C. C for cake. D. D for doll. E. E for eagle. F. F for fan. Now it is G. G for glasses. Letter H. H for hat. You're doing great. I for igloo. J. J for jelly. Delicious. Letter K. K for kangaroo. L. L for leaf. M. N. N for net. Amazing work. O. O for owl. P. P for pizza. Very tasty. Q. Q for green. R. R for ring. Letter S. S for star. D. D for train. Choo choo. Letter U. U for unicorn. V for violin. Now letter W. W for window. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yo-yo. And the last letter G. G for zoo.